Okay, guys, going to go to Ask Scruff. Now, this particular question is for Christo. Salute to you. And the question is, what's the difference between a normal trade and a scalp? All the videos watched so far have the same trade management. Correct. Right. Ultimately, a trade is a trade. Doesn't matter whether it's a position trade or a micro scalp trade. You've got to still be having the same sort of emotional mindset, calm, and you've also got to do your analysis, but then you base it on what you need to do. Now, personally, I think there are 4 trade disciplines. A position trade is based on you put your order in January and you're looking to hold it for months, if not years. Okay, so really answering the question, it's about the time scale. So if a position trade can run for years, what's a swing trade? Well, a swing trade is essentially anything that runs past 24 hours. So it's swinging overnight if you want to sort of try and break it down somewhat. So a swing trade can be past 24 hours for a couple of weeks. Then you come down into a day trade. The day trade is where it will last maybe a couple of hours throughout the day, but it's confined within a 24-hour period. And then a scalp is essentially seconds. It's in and out of the market very quick. Now, one of the other differences between products or trades rather is the amount of pips that you get. So with a position trade, you're looking for hundreds of pips, hundreds. Okay, so you're holding it, you're taking the pain, and then when it starts moving for you, you're holding it out for it. Well, pretty much as long as you can. Now, this is predominantly found on weekly and monthly charts. It's something you see me do with my Vanguard. A swing trade is anywhere from 50 to a couple of hundred pips. Now, again, those I prefer daily charts for swing, but it's quite often found on 4-hour charts as well. A day trade is 10 to 50 pips, depending on the ATR of a market. Think of it this way. If the ATR is 70, what's the chances of you getting 200 pips out of it in a single day? Well, the answer is 0. You can't. You know, that's for the land of make-believe, or what you call Instagram. What you'll get is 10 or 20 pips in a single move. And it might take a couple of hours to get there. So that's the target criteria for a day trade. Now, that's where I like to sit, and I find it quite easy. Okay, and then you come down into scalping, and scalping is literally just 1 or 2 pips, and you're in and out in seconds. This is where some problems arise, because when you're scalping, you cannot have any form of risk reward. I'm not a fan of risk reward anyway, but you can't have any. You're always inversed. So if you're always inversed, the chances are you're going to get caught eventually scalping, and that will wipe you out. Day trading, I run on 1-to-1, as you've seen. And again, as long as you can stack up more wins than losses, you're sort of fine. But you've got time to breathe and analyze and drill into the chart fully. And that way you should almost nail it most of the time. And it's similar with swing, and then again with position trading. Okay, so they're my definitions. There's sort of like the 4 disciplines: position, swing, day, and scalp. And for a scalp, it's just micro in and out for a couple of pips, and then that's it. Okay, so I hope that helps. Catch you soon.